Hey guys, today let's learn how to add an action button on your Instagram account. So if you guys would like to go ahead and add an action button over on your Instagram account in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Instagram application. And once we are already here, of course, I would like you guys to proceed with logging into your preferred Instagram account. Alright, so once we're already here, of course, we need to go ahead and choose our preferred Instagram account, as I just said a while ago. And in this case, I'm just going to choose this one right here. Now, what I want you to do next is, of course, to have your business profile over on your account. So just tap on your profile over here on your lower right icons, and I want you to tap on your option called Edit Profile. Next, once you're here, I want you to go ahead and proceed going to the option called Public Business Information. So let's see if that is actually possible to find on here on the latest update. So basically, what is it called now is it's called the profile information. And the option for us to add an action button is easily accessible. It is just right here. All we need to do is just tap on action buttons and tap on here and, well, choose a button. I'm going to go ahead and choose maybe book now. And I'm going to choose also a partner here. But in this case, I don't really want to be associated with any of these partners. So let's just go ahead and tap on reserve maybe, if that is actually possible. Or maybe order food. Well, we actually need to be associated with one of these partners. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on book now and maybe just choose this one right here. And we need to go ahead and, of course, log into their website over here, over with their partner. And once it is already done, once you have already signed up to their website, you can now go ahead and add your action button over on your profile once you have already finished the on-screen instructions with their partners, of course. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.